बार बार आती है मुझको मधुर याद बचपन तेरी, गया ले गया तू जीवन की सबसे मस्त खुशी मेरी। चिंता रहित खेलना खाना, वह फैना निर्भय स्वच्छंद, कैसे भूला जा सकता है बचपन का अतुलित आनंद।
Childhood, the most innocent phase in human life. It is that stage of life when the human foundations are laid for a successful adult life. The phase when we are carefree, fun-loving, learning and playing. Friends, go back into your childhood and for most of us, they are beautiful memories. But this is the story of not too many children.
Our country accounts for the second highest number where child labor in the world is concerned, with approx 12.6 million children in the age group 5 to 14 working as child laborers. They are scared and tormented. They hate the clutches that hold them. They would do anything to get out of the dungeons of being children and controlled and tortured by others. They want to break free. Some manage to get out and get a better life, but many continue where they are, not out of choice, but force.
This is the true story of child labor. There are industries and individuals who employ young innocent children. They put them to work under grueling circumstances. Children have long working hours and less wages. Don't you think these children have the right to possess a life like ours? Are they destined to live a life like this? Do you think these flowers will ever blossom? Child labor is not the only problem. Along with it, their involvement in illicit activities is of major concern.
हमें रेलवे स्टेशन पर बोतल बीनने वाले एक छोटे से बच्चे ने इसके बारे में कुछ और जानकारी दी।
उसके पैसे कहाँ से आते हैं हमारे पास? उसके पैसे हम बोतलें बीनते ना, बोतलें बीनते कोई खाना खाते हैं, हमारे वहाँ ज़्यादा पैसे होते हैं, सब अच्छा मिला कर खाते, एक जगह मैंने मांग के भी खाते खाना ये।
लेकिन जो ज़्यादातर जो पैसे आते हैं वो बोतल लेके आते हैं। As a child said yesterday we went to railway station. There a child said that we talked to him. He said that खाना तो मांग के मिल जाता है, जो पैसे मिलते हैं उससे नशे की गोली खरीदते हैं. He even told the name of the shop.
How old is this?
This guy was about 12 to 13 years old.
12 to 13 years old. Yes.
So how do you think, how bad is the situation?
See, I think we have to really look at child labor from a total development perspective. I think in India we have what is known as labor consists of two types, organized labor and unorganized labor. So I think it's mostly these unorganized labor who work in, let's say, agricultural labor, construction industry. So it's children of these unorganized labor who tend to migrate from one place to another. They become orphans. And I think it is this batch of children who are prone to be misused by elements of this kind, the kind that you're talking about. So they get used in a wrong way. So that's what we really need to work against. So to really understand sector by sector and what are the root cause of this problem. So I do agree that people who find organized institutions in other places, they already are very mature in a way. They are low age-wise, they are not mature, but mentally they have seen enough evil in the society.
Said, as I told you yesterday, that खाना तो मांग के मिल जाता है, लेकिन जो पैसा मिलता है उससे नशे की गोलियां खरीद लेते हैं. So what do you think, how was it the condition?
Well, it came as a surprise to me. I was not aware that. I would think maybe older people, anybody beyond 18, 19 could get into drugs, but I didn't think that 12 and 14-year-olds could actually go in for drugs. So this did come as a surprise and a shock to me. Obviously it's not.
Look at these revised facts. The percentage of child labor in our country has decreased from what it was in 2001 to 6.6 in 2006. This may appear a small change, but still this is a change. And with your efforts, we can even decrease this percentage further.
Let us hear it out from Dr. B. Ravindra on what he has to say about the child labor in India, which at present involves 12.6 million children and is posing a threat to the future of India.
There are 12.7 million children between the age of 0 to 14, from 5 to 14, who are working in India. So what do you think about child labor condition in India?
Child labor in India is a known phenomenon. I think in recent times we have seen a revision in our attitude towards child labor. There was a time when the government banned child labor entirely, and then the outcome was not very favorable to the children themselves. So I think they have amended this law. I think it's a good thing that we recognize what is permissible for the children, for children to engage in, and what is not permissible. So I think it would be a good idea to understand it on a case-by-case basis than enforce a blanket law. We are not in a position to enforce any laws. Right? From a humanitarian perspective, it is obvious that we don't want to have child labor. In any developed country where science and technology is flourishing, we should not have any children working. Right? When machines are taking people's work, why do we need children to work?
Child labor in India is not localized. It is a social evil that haunts every nook and corner of India. Our team surveyed Jodhpur city. We didn't go too far. Even the places nearby the campus have been diseased by the social disease.
The problem of child labor in India is so huge that it demands support and contribution from every part of the society to completely eradicate this problem. In recent times, government has taken some concrete steps for improving the situations of child laborers.
NCLP, National Child Labour Projects. IPEC, International Program on Elimination of Child Labour. Indus Project, Indo-US Department of Labour Projects. These are the major schemes for the rehabilitation of child labour. Under these schemes, project societies at district level are fully funded for opening up a special school rehabilitation center for the rehabilitation of child labour. The Special School Rehabilitation Center provides non-formal education, vocational training, supplementary nutrition, stipend, etc. to child withdrawn from employment.
These schemes have been well supported by civil society organizations and NGOs. Several renowned and committed NGOs are working to improve the situation in this field. These NGOs, both local and international, focus on different problems concerning child labor. But why should we care? Many children in hazardous and dangerous jobs are in danger of injury, even death. Beyond compassion, consider who today's children will become in the future. Between today and the year 2020, some 730 million people will join the world's workforce. More than 90% of these new workers will be from the developing nations. How many will have to work at an early stage, destroying their health or hampering their education?